Hi everyone! Today, we're learning to play all C major scales for ABRSM Grade 1. Let's get started. First, the right hand. Start on middle C. Use fingerings 1, 2, and 3, and tuck your thumb under F. Then continue 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Play it smoothly up and down. Now, for the left hand, start with your fifth finger on C. Use the fingerings 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Cross your third finger over to A, then 2, 1 to finish, and back down the same way. Contrary motion is when your hands move in opposite directions. Start both thumbs on middle C, then go outward, right hand up, left hand down. Use the same fingering as before. The finger turning in the right and left hand is the same this time, so stay focused and aim for a smooth and coordinated turn. Play both hands together for a similar motion, starting on C. They move in the same direction, so the fingering we just practiced stays the same. Remember, the finger turning in the right hand and left hand is not the same. The right hand tucks the thumb under, while the left hand crosses the fingers over. Be aware of this difference and stay calm. Practice slowly to keep it smooth. And that's the C major scale in all its forms for Grade 1. Practice slowly and evenly to build confidence. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more piano tips. See you in the next video.